Starting timeline of supramolecular chemistry. Before we teach introduction of supramolecular chemistry, we are going to in history of supramolecular starting from 1810. Sir Humphrey Davy, he is discovered of chlorine hydrate, and after that a lot of scientists are work on supramolecular chemistry, and 1996 a award of Nobel Prize for chemistry to Kroto, Smaller and Carl for their work on the chemistry of the fullerenes. And 1978 Jean Marie Lane introduction of the term supramolecular chemistry, defined as the chemistry of molecular assemblies and of the intermolecular bond. Some examples of it. This is Curtis, 1961. A large molecule of nickel metal in host, and next Bush, 1964. Iron is host. And Jaeger explain a also supramolecule which is metal is nickel plus 2, and Pedersen 1967 explain a potassium ion supramolecular. Now we discuss about classification of supramolecular host and guest compound. This is like to catalyst theory. Host and guest. We can see that host is above molecule and guest is this. Host plus guest to form A and B. A is the molecular inclusion, it means host and guest, and B is the crystal lattice inclusion, it means make a crystal, a lot of guest and a lot of host. But host molecules are in cavity of guest molecule. Guest molecule have a large cavity and host molecule have smaller cavity. This is explained by Vogel, Angiu, Chem in 1985. Now we discussion in table. Classification of common host guest compound of natural hosts. Here is host is crown ether and guest is metal cation. Host is crown ether and guest is metal cation. Interaction, metal cation it means ion and host dipole. Here is ion dipole interaction. Complex cavitate is class and crown ether, potassium crown ether is the example. Next, spherine. Spherine is also important supramolecule, which is the guest molecule is alkyl ammonium cation. Alkyl ammonium cation. In this interaction, hydrogen bonding and class is complex cavitate, and the example is also aspirants. Cyclodextrin, guest compound is organic molecule. Interaction is hydrophobic oblique van der Waals. We know that very weak interaction in this, like as hydrogen bonding, like as hydrophobic and van der Waals bonding, like as ion dipole bonding. Interaction, only for interaction, neither is bond. Cyclodextrin is a class cavitate and example of alpha cyclodextrin, para hydroxy benzoic acid. Next, host molecule is water and guest molecule is organic molecule, like as halogen, etc. Host molecule water and guest molecule organic molecule. Water and organic molecule. Water is having large quality and organic molecule having a smaller quality. So water is host and organic molecule is guest. Interaction of between van der Waals or crystal packing. This is clay thread. Important. Water and organic molecules having clay thread class, and example of water H2O whole 6 and CH4. Calixarin is also important example of supramolecule. Calixarin is host molecule and guest molecule is organic molecule. Then interaction between calixarin and organic molecule is van der Waals or crystal packing, and this is also like as water and organic molecule cavitate class, and example is this rho-tertiary butyl calixarin 4-arin toluene. And next is cyclotrivera pteryline. This is host compound and guest molecule is the organic molecule. Between this interaction van der Waals and crystal packing, and class is clay thread also, and example is CTV and acetone. Next we are going to next example, cavitants. Cavitants is podents, pentaglyme, glyme 6, cronants, 18 crown 6, 18 crown 6C, and spirants. This is the structure. Structure is podent, pentaglyme, glyme 6C, and structure of coronand, and structure of spirant. Spatial relationship between host and guest. This is the capsular. This is the cube. In a cube, a smaller molecule. Smaller molecule is guest molecule, but capsule and cubic molecule having a large cavity, this is host molecule. We can see that a room is host, but a human body is guest. Like is that capsular molecule, this is a cube having a small molecule, capsular. In between middle place in cube, but in a nesting, this cube having a smaller molecule like its guest molecule on a surface face and perching host molecule above the face, and apolar surface is a molecule is also on the face, and this is the wrapping that is a 3 cube having a small molecule like is a guest molecule. This is the wrapping, and this is the sandwich like a sandwich is a spicy disk have some breads and some vegetables or tomato as on. These green vegetables between the breads up above breads and lower breads in between some tomatoes like a sandwich. Here is that two cubic above and lower and a small molecule between two cube known as sandwich compound. This is also a supramolecular compound. So sandwich compound like is a ferrocene. Ferrocene having a ferry iron metals between two pentacarbonyl two penta 5 carbon ring. Here is sandwich compound supramolecule having 2 cube. This is the structure to all. Guest is small and host is a big, large. Now we go in receptor, coordination and lock and key analogy. Receptor and substrate. Above is receptor, lower substrate. Complexation, intermolecular binding and form lock and key. Lock is receptor and key is substrate. Here we can say easily lock is receptor and key is substrate. Then we can say again that supramolecules is the having recognition, catalysis and transport, characteristics, function or properties of the supramolecule. This is the methylene blue and this is the salvarcine. Methylene blue is the and the salvarcine. This is the example. Methylene blue is Paul Ehrlich, a part of Ehrlich of work. He noticed that the dyes methylene blue had a surprising affinity of some living cells, staining them an intense blue. If only certain cells are colored, reason Ehrlich, then may be not their dye stuff which color only the carriers of illness and at the same time destroy them without attacking the body's own cell. And anti-syphilis drug salvarcine. Anti-syphilis drug salvarcine ersphenamine, also known under its trade name salvarcine, is a drug used to treat syphilis. Paul Ehrlich found this drug in 1909. It was the first important anti-syphilistic drug, though was phased out in the 1930s by Peter Better compound. This is the reaction. This is the coordination compound having nickel metal and ligand is ammonia, and this is the reactant to form this compound and remove ammonia. Log K is equals to minus delta G upon RT. Log K is equals to delta G upon RT, or delta G is equals to, we know that already, delta G is the Gibbs energy. Gibbs energy is equals to delta H minus T delta S. Here delta G is the Gibbs energy, delta is the enthalpy change and T is the temperature and delta S is the entropy change. To form log next log K is equals to delta H upon RT minus plus delta S upon R. Here K is the complexation constant. Chelate, macrocyclic and macro bicyclic effect. Increasing order the guest organization. This is the pod end, core end, and crypt end. These three types of the supramolecule: host, pod end, core end, and crypt end. Pod end, after chelate effect, to form this compound anticlockwise, and core end, chelate effect and the macrocyclic effect, and the crypt end, chelate effect and the macrobicyclic effect. This is the unicyclic, and this is the bicyclic, and this is the acyclic. No cyclic complete in this. Acyclic, above chelate effect, pod end, chelate effect, no cycle, it means can say that uncyclic. And in this core end is a macrocyclic having a cycle, but this is the macrobicyclic having two cycle. Crypt ends having two cyclic effect of chelate effect and macrobicyclic effect. Macrobicyclic effect and macrocyclic effect, favorable organization of binding sites in the space. This is the strand ring, this is the optimum geometry, and this is the increasing flexibility. This is having ring size, large ring size, less entropically favorable. Stabilization offered by the chelate effect. Binding sites, host must complement to those of the guest. Example, bond donor, acceptor abilities. Spatial orientation of binding sites for efficient binding must be guaranteed. Complementarity, low amount of conformational change upon binding. Host is pre-organized. Binding process is two types. One is the conformational readjustment to maximize complementarity, and second is the binding energetically favorable. This is the spherent and this is the crown ether. Covalent bond energy is having, we know that covalent bond energy having CO bond having 340 kilojoule per mole covalent bond, and CC having 360 kilojoule per mole, CH having 430 kilojoule per mole, and carbon double bond carbon having 600 kilojoule per mole, and carbon oxygen bond has 690 kilojoule per mole. Compared to most non-covalent interaction, these are very high energies, very short distances, and highly dependent on orientation. Deriving force for the formation of supramolecular structure: hydrophobic interaction, electrostatic interaction, hydrogen bond interaction, van der Waals interaction, cation pi interaction, and pi stacking. Very low strength of bonding. Hydrophobic is less than 40. Electrostatic is equal to approximate 20 kilojoule per mole, and hydrogen bond 12 to 30 kilojoule per mole. Van der Waals interaction 0.4 to 4 kilojoule per mole. Cation pi interaction 5 to 80 kilojoule per mole, and pi stacking 0 to 50 kilojoule per mole. The total molecular force acting between two molecules is the sum of the forces they exert on each other. Ion interaction we discussion next time. Myself, Dr. Rajaram, Assistant Professor, Government Dungar College, Bikaner, which is the re-aggregated of grade given by NAC E. Thank you.